All right, this is the last day of this week here. Whop is an online platform where you can sell different items, merch, clothing, shoes, whatever you want to sell, and start making money on the internet. Obviously, you see people have made over $16,000, or more than 16,000 with this app. So it's really imperative that you start making. You can literally sell anything you want. Um, and that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of being an entrepreneur nowadays. You can start, you know, with low cost, no budget. You can just literally start selling and have a third party like Etsy or Shopify ship the items to your customers, or if you actually have the items in your own stock, you can bulk up on them on Amazon, or if you have the items already and you just want to sell them directly, use gently clothes or whatever, you can do that. It's up to you as the seller, but the buyer is going to be really picky. So make sure that the clothes is gently sanitized or whatever, or they're clean, and we don't have any bug problems or anything like that. God forbid for that. And start going ahead and start making this money, because there's multiple ways to make money online, and you guys are gonna learn. Go ahead, um, and it's gonna take you through all the little steps like your email address, all of that good stuff, and you will be able to start making money. As soon as the customer get the order and they like it, they'll send you the money via whatever payment method you use. Most likely, it's going to be a Stripe payment method, because that's how people usually get down with these particular websites. But there could be PayPal. It just all depends on whatever preferred payment method will pass. And that is that. Let me know if you like this, you dislike it. Comment in the section if you ever heard of this website before that's making you to start selling. But other than that, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.